My name is Etim Paul um, from Cross River State. I started in the Web2 space actually as a front-end engineer, and I got to know about Web3 actually from one of my friends, my brother, who graduated from Court 5 from Web3Bridge. I do a little bit of technical writing as well. I have a Medium blog, I would say, where I post technical articles about Web3. And personally, for me, right now, I'm focusing on Web3 security. I'm going to use 3 words to describe it. First of all, I would say consistency. I'm going to say perseverance, and I'm going to say mindset. Because why am I using these 3 words to describe like the journey and the benefit of Web3Bridge? Web3Bridge is like a military camp where you come in as a youngin, you come in as a baby, and you live as a man. Like the few things I've learned like through like my journey through Web3Bridge is that I've been able to like learn and relearn and have that zeal and that energy that no matter what I come across, no matter what tasks I have, I can always scale through. I'm going to say the tasks. A lot of people will say it was not enjoyable, but to me it was actually, because I'm one person that I love someone like pushing me beyond my capabilities. So I'm going to say the tasks we were given, because sometimes we're given tasks that normally it would take you like a couple of days to like execute, but they give us these tasks within hours and you have to submit it. Sometimes they give you like overnight and you have to like perform like work on these tasks, execute them and submit them. So like the most enjoyable parts to some people, maybe might have been stressful, and I feel like those moments are what shaped me to like the path that I'm taking. I got to know about Web3 from my brother, who was an alumni of Web3Bridge. He's Court 5 alumni. So like that's how I got to know about Web3Bridge. Then before Web3Bridge, I was in the Web2 space working as a front-end engineer. So it was through him I got to know about Web3Bridge. It was like, there's this school in Lagos, because I'm from Cross River, so back home in Calabar. So it was there's this school in Lagos, they feed you, they train you, they like basically what you just have to do is learn. I was like, wow. So like because before then I tried to like learn a little of Web3, but I was not consistent, and with the light issue, data issue and everything. So I would just learn one thing in 3 weeks and just relax. But when he finished and he told me about it, he was like, go now, go. He was always like gingering me. He was telling me, was like, where do you stand now? I was like, this thing. So he said, you have seen how like I left, like I'm like a testimony, like you can see like the benefits of the Web3Bridge, and he told me about it. Like he was the one that really pushed me like to go on and register for the program. Before like I came for the program, because my brother did the offline, like online, so like he did not come on site. So I was like actually the first like actually that came to experience it. So before coming, when I had my interview, I spoke to the guy. I was like, they provide data, they provide food. I was still a little bit skeptical. I was thinking like, okay, maybe when I come, they'll provide afternoon food and evening food alone, and you have to fend for yourself, or maybe data is only during class. That was my mentality. But coming here, realizing that these things are not just like your imagination, they're not just like ideas. They say on like coming to it's actually real. You have like food in the morning, you have food in the afternoon, you have food in the evening. You have data 24/7. You have light. Like as if you are in Asu Villa or something. Wherever I go to, when I channel the Web3Bridge, like I would say the Web3Bridge element, to be like, so you're from Web3Bridge, you are this. So like if you're in the Web3 space and you have never heard of Web3Bridge, then you're not in the Web3 space. Because I feel like if you are truly in Web3 space, even though you have not gone through Web3Bridge, you will know. Like there's this thing that I think like in almost the major companies in Nigeria like that does Web3, you might have work either directly or indirectly with an alumni from Web3Bridge. So like leveraging like the power of Web3Bridge in what you are doing as a Web3 agency, Web3 company or whatever, gives you like that I don't gives you that gap above like other Web3 companies.